Welcome to the channel Encyclopedia Catanica. In today's video we're going to discover are there security pins inside of Dabel padlock. I picked up this chromed version 45mm and we're going to see how security pins, if there are any, are orientated. Because as I mentioned in video 132, Suspect's talented lockpicker picked the same padlock but a non-chrome version, and he disassembled it and found two spool pins. But because of bad disassembly, he didn't notice how those spools were orientated. And because of that, we had a short discussion about spool pins. I was really curious to find out. I thought that those don't have any security pins because they are made in China and they are knockoffs of Bane padlocks or LZ padlocks. They are ordered by Dabel factory, which doesn't produce anything, so we could say company, but it orders from China and distributes throughout the Balkans and maybe some other countries. So we have this padlock. It's maybe 3 to 5 years old. I picked up a chromed version because I have more of those than brass versions, so I didn't want to destroy the lock when I have less units than in this case. So I drilled two holes. I expected to find security pins inside of second and fourth chamber. It's really typical for any lock manufacturer. If you have two security pins, you usually put it on the second and fourth place. If you have three of them, you put them on the first, third and fifth place, etc. So, judging by the logic of lock makers, I drilled two holes because I couldn't dismantle the padlock the way it should be, because the rod in this version, this chromed version, is made out of steel, and probably because of bad machining, the rod is stuck inside and I couldn't take it out in any case. I tried everything and nothing happened, so I had to drill out two holes on the side to see what's up with the lock. The good thing about those Dabels is that they have chromed steel springs, which is very good. Chromed steel springs are present also in case of LZ. So those springs are very good. They are not so weak. They are pretty good. But it's badly damaged, this one, because of the drill. So in all cases we have good steel springs. Now, the moment we are all waiting for. What's inside in second and fourth chamber, and what's the orientation if there are security pins? Let's shove the key in and follow. We have something. Let's zoom in. And as I expected, wrong orientation. This is the spool pin from this padlock. So probably all Dabels 45mm shaped like this, LZ or Bane looking Dabels, they all have security pins, but orientation is wrong. Let's try to touch this. Yes, as you see, this is generic orientation, and as you see, now we know what's wrong with this lock, why those spools doesn't work. Why? Because if you see here, this base is much bigger than this one, much thicker than this one. This is the regular spool pin base, as it should be. But this one is huge. It's huge, and because of bad orientation, this spool pin acts as standard pin, just because of this fat, idiotic base. I don't know why did they make such a base, because those pins are wrong from every perspective. Look the thickness. Look at the thickness of that base. Look how thick it is. This is huge base, and see the beating. First, second, and fourth. See how deep those cuts are. That's why spools act as standard pins. Let's see again. See, look at the bottom base. Look how sharp and well made it is, and look at this huge base. This is practically standard pin. So now we know what's the problem with those Dabel padlocks and why are they easy to pick. It's because spools don't work, and in this particular case you can't do anything to change wrong on orientation. Why? Because the rod inside is stuck and it's unable to get out. This rod here, let me show you. See the tip of the nail? This rod here it is. It doesn't want to come out, and I don't have any clue why. Probably because of the bad machining or oxidation or something like that. And because of that, it's not spring loaded, it's practically a full rod, and because of that, we don't have any way to change the orientation and to save this lock to be more secured. Dabel has to work on this when ordering, because Chinese manufacturers made huge mistake, and those spool pins are good, deep, well made, but they don't work. And they won't work until they are orientated correctly. If they are, they will be really good. Probably much better than in case of LZ padlock. So it's a huge shame. It's a pity that those are orientated like that, because Dabel could be much better lock with those spool pins orientated correctly. It will be practically better than Bane and in class with LZ, on the same level with LZ. So Dabel has to fix this. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.